Okay, so this is Rocky Mountain Run. We're gonna see what it has to offer. First off, a lot of slate rock. Again, I'm gonna move up to the head before I start casting. Oh, it's bad gas. Let's see if I can just whip it in. Little guys. They were ready for that. Did you see that? Oh, on my leader line. Get the gas in position. These are little minnows. This is gonna be a tough pool to fish. I don't know if I can back cast at all. We'll see if I have enough overhead cover to be able to roll cast. But I can roll cast this one back. Yep. I don't know what that was. This is what the big pools look like on this little trip. And it's a lot of like really shallow, long pools, and it's like, oh, how long is it gonna take me to fish this damn thing? Because there's no current back here. Right? You don't want to spook anything back here. So you'll try your best to like look and kind of see. Of course, I forgot my shades. Actually, no, I didn't. I'm right here. Hey. Let's see if these help me out. Yep. Okay. We're just gonna take a look before we start casting. All right, man. It's all these little minnows. I mean, they're coming out of the water for it. It's kind of interesting. But the fact that they're that active this much in the middle, I don't know where... Like, I've yet to see a trout on this tributary. I mean, it's gorgeous water. I may not have seen a trout yet, but it's pretty. I mean, there's no reason to cast into any of this right now. Those bigger pools didn't have anything. Could have cast into this one. I'll cast right here. Make sure I stand on something where I don't slip and bust my ass. Oh, yep. Okay, we got trout. Awesome. Okay. I'm like pretty sure that was a trout. Yeah, it was. All right. First brookie on Rocky Mountain Run. Okay, buddy. Thank you for playing the game. I meant to throw him back into his pool, but he slipped out. Maybe he'll go down there and they get really, really big. Feed on all those minnows. That'd be nice. All right, another really nice long pool, long shallow pool. If experience has taught me anything, a lot of minnows in the back here. Maybe some brookies up top. Yeah, I see a bunch of minnows back here. All right, hey, there's a rise over there. I mean, I like that spot for a brookie to be because there is some rocky cover at the bottom. A lot of this is slate rock. And so I'd think that'd be a good place to kind of like just sit back, hide, and wait for food. Come on, give me a brookie. I want to get it a little bit closer to that tree that's hanging down. While being conscious, there's stuff on either side to get hung up on. Oh, I think I might be able to get a roll cast in there. Nope, nope, no I couldn't. Hey, nice. Okay, again, really, really small. Just really, really small. This reminds me a lot of Ivy Creek. This is where I'll start fishing. I have about like 7.5 more minutes before I need to get back to camp and call it for the night. Oh, something went for it. Okay, a little close there. Nice. That's what I'm after. Yes, sir. Much better. Alright, that was my second brookie. There we go. I'm gotta be really careful about how I cast through here. Don't have much time left. Ugh. Just walked through another spider web. Nope, it's not the cast I wanted. There you go. A little less drag would help. Along that far bank. Nothing. Okay. Ooh, that does look fishy. Let's get one right into here. Nah, nothing. Okay, nothing there. Let's load up the next bow and arrow cast while we're creeping up. Just the way we're gonna have to play these. Trying to be very efficient with my time. We got about 5 more minutes. All right, let's keep going up. See if it's green here on the slate rock, you got traction. If it's not, you're busting your butt. Nothing. Dang. Dang. Nothing. Got to give it a few honest tries, and then you just got to move. Nothing. Okay. Nothing. Just look good. All right. Okay, didn't mean to get much more stuck. Like that. Alright, these will be the last few pulls that I do. Of course, not the easiest to cast from, but none of them were. And this is by far the deepest pool we've seen. Got minnows attacking it again. Let's go along the current. That's a minnow.